Firstly, if you look at the designs of the drainage of DPWH, it's post-World War II design. They have drains on both sides of the road, which isn't done anywhere else. It's only done here. And they lead to nowhere most of the time, right? So you spend so much money, what you need on the sides of the roads are really just gutters. Gutters, like the gutter at the edge of your roof. It catches the water, but it leads it to a drain. So the right way to do drainage is to put a bigger central drain in the middle of the road, underground. And these gutters, you can have slotted drains, which every, say, 25 or 50 meters, drain into this main drain. And this main drain, since Lingayen and Binmaley are naturally low in elevation, konti lang ang taas niyan to the sea level. So pag high tide, ayaw nang lumabas ang tubig. So maglagay tayo ng sumps. And beside the sump, mag-expropriate tayo ng maliit na kaprasong lupa. Doon magde-drain sa sump. May pump tayo doon. Pumping into, say, an elevated reservoir where now there's pressure to make the water flow all the way out to sea, even if it's high tide. That's the way to drain it. I said in my speeches today that Holland, which is in some parts below sea level, because of the right engineering, they're able to drain Holland. And it's a big agricultural producer. Greenhouses sila doon, no? Pero kung flooded yon, hindi nila magagawa yon. So I'm saying, like Urdaneta before, when I was congressman there, that's 22 meters above sea level. I get exasperated with DPWH because they say, ay, walang pong paraan yan. Sabi ko, ang Holland, below sea level, tayo 22 meters above sea level. Dapat walang kahit isang square meter sa Urdaneta na mababaha kung tama ang mga disenyo nyo. So, may pagkukulang kayo, tignan nyo. They're not innovative eh. There's no driver for innovation in DPWH. They want to play safe all the time. They don't want to try new things. They don't want to travel abroad. Kasi, sanay na sila sa ganon, ayaw na nilang baguhin. So, kung walang magpupush, hindi sila magbabago. I will already give them the ideas to pursue. In other words, I've already done the research. I've already banged my head against the wall in the 3 terms that I had and the 2 terms that Kimi had, dealing with them, that now I know going in how I should push them.